guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me trying the Morphe X James Charles palette, which looks like this. It has got like a reflective, there we go. It's got a reflective font on the front and the colours inside are just insane. So yeah, I created this makeup look using the palette and I have basically done like a little tutorial on this makeup look, but now I'm going to talk through and swatch a few shades that I haven't used. And I picked this up on the Cult Beauty website for £39. I suppose this is more because obviously he is an influencer, so I suppose they just upped the price, or because it is a bigger palette size, like it doesn't even fit in the camera. I don't know if it is like a bit pricey. I mean, I just fell in love with it, so I just purchased it anyway. But compared to like their normal prices of like £23–25, £39 is kind of expensive, but I'm happy with the palette, so yeah. So I'm just gonna swatch some shades. Why can I never say swatch some shades? I am going to swatch some shades and then I will go into this makeup look. So it does come with one of these. These I've got all the shade names on it, like a bit like the whoa, okay, so it's falling now. A bit like the Makeup Revolution ones. A bit like the Makeup Revolution ones. So yeah, they're a bit annoying, but that's just my opinion. I've had it on my bed. I keep losing it because it's generally like transparent, so I can't find it. But I mean, it's got shade names on it. I like a name with a shade. Shade with a name. So if you couldn't tell, of course, I have got the rainbow shades on my eyes, my lids, my eyebrows. I am going to swatch a few shades that I haven't used, which are quite a few. I'm quite liking these shades down here. This shimmer shade here. Oh, this purple. Look at that. Oh, this pink here. Oh my god, look at that pink. So I'm going to swatch a few matte shades. Let's go with this orange shade here. And then we'll try this like purpley, well, it's not really a purple shade. We'll go for this shade here. Oh no, wait, we haven't done the pink. And we'll do this pink shade here. And then, ooh, they look nice. So I've taken the pink shade and I'm just going to do it on my hand. Just see what it's like. Ooh, yes. And I'm going to apply it right there. Okay, that's a really weird place to apply it, Jess, but okay, cool. Ooh, yes. And I'm going to take in the brown shade. And I'm going to apply it just there. Okay, so they have got a lot of pigment. I'm definitely excited to use a pink shade in a makeup look fairly soon, but all those shades are pretty decent. And then for some shimmer shades, I'm definitely wanting to try this purple shade here. And then I really want to try this gold shade here, see if it's Christmassy. And then I like this purple brown shade, well, it's rose gold. And then I feel like we should try this blue shade up here, because why not? And then, ooh, so these are, wow, okay, they look really nice. And I am, yeah, I've got a clean arm. So I'm just gonna hold, and I am just going to run my, ooh, look at that blue. Ooh, look at all of them actually. Oh my, I'm in love, especially that blue shade. That blue shade, it like, wow, okay, so it matches my nails. How cool is that? And they literally came all off my fingers. So that is pretty impressive. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm actually really excited to try this palette. This is what it looks like. Brilliant. This is what it looks like. It is pretty huge compared to the other palettes that I have tried from Morphe. It is pretty huge, but the box is quite deceiving. So like, this is how big the box is. And then when you open it, it's still like the same size, but it just like, can you see like the difference? Like this one's a bit larger in width. Does that make sense? So this bad boy I'm gonna try in this video. I'm excited. Let's open her up. Oh, yes. Right. So this, whoa, we have to just sit it back here. this is what the palette looks like. I'm excited. I'm just dying to try this palette. It is insane. So I am going to obviously create a rainbow makeup look. I have decided to go for a trend that I have been seeing for Pride Month. And yeah, I just wanted to try the palette as well as this like trend because I quite like this trend. Just to start off the makeup look, I'm going to go in with a shade here called Canvas, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease just to like have a transition shade, but I'm not going to like go too much on the lids. I'm focusing more on the lower lash line and the eyebrow. Okay, so this shade is fairly fair. So I might go in with just a tad darker shade. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Punch Me and apply that to my crease because that one was a bit sheer. So I'm just gonna take that shade and just apply it to the crease. That's so much better. I'm gonna start off with the rainbow on my lower lash line, and obviously I'm gonna go in with this red shade here, which I've just literally put my finger on it and it's come out like that. So I'm just gonna swatch this all before the makeup look because I'm gonna be swatching shades that I'm not gonna be using today. And this red shade is called You're Kidding, and I'm just going to apply it just there. I'm literally not whoa. I'm literally not even moving the brush. I'm literally just like dabbing and using slow motions to like brush it out. So I'm not actually taking it very far. And then I'm just going to be taking the shade 518 or 518. I'm not sure what the meaning behind this shade name is. I do apologise, but I'm just going to take that shade and apply it next to the red shade. I'm just going to create a rainbow on my lower lash line, similar to the BH Cosmetics makeup look that I did. And I'm literally going to apply it there. And then I'm just going to be taking this gorgeous yellow shade called B, and I'm going to be applying that next to the orange shade. And then the next colour is Social Blade, which is a really nice green shade, and I'm just going to apply that again next to the yellow shade. And I'm literally just dabbing this shade. And then I'm going to be taking this insane blue shade called Playground, and I'm going to be applying that next to the green shade, obviously. So I'm excited to use this shade because it is literally insane. So let's stop talking and start applying. So I feel like I have run out of space, so I'm literally just going to dab it in there. Oh, look at that. That looks really good. And then I'm just going to take this shade here called Single and apply that to my inner corner area. I was going to go in with the darker purple, but I thought because it's my inner corner, I want to keep it still bright and everything. I'm really not liking the lighting in this video because it's raining outside and it seems to be affecting the video, even though I have got lights. So I don't know, it just is a bit darker today. Now I'm just going to go in with an angled brush and I'm going to use the same shades that I've used for my lower lash line, and I'm just going to do a rainbow sort of line under my eyebrow, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to talk through what I'm doing, each shade. I'm just going to name them as colours rather than what they're called because that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just starting with the red shade and I'm going to be applying it just like that, and then just taking the orange shade, I'm just going to apply that next to the red, and then just taking that yellow shade, just going to apply it to the lower arch area, and then just taking the green, just going to apply it there. And then taking that insane blue shade, I'm just going to apply that next to the green. And I feel like I've run out of room for the purple. And I'm just applying the purple shade to the lower part of my lash, so the bottom point. So that is the rainbow part of the makeup look complete. I'm actually really loving all these shades. They are so bright and so pigmented, so I'll definitely be creating more rainbow looks, and just in general it's Pride Month, so there'll be a lot of Pride rainbow makeup looks coming. I will take this shade here called Spooky. I'm just going to apply it as like eyeliner, but not really, so it's just going to be like a small amount just to like open up the lids a little bit. I just kind of want like the red to blend with something. Okay, I don't like this brush. Okay, it's not bad. It's really opened up my eyes. Or eye, should I say. Okay, so I kind of like sneezed off camera and all of the eyeshadow kind of like fell on my face. So I'm going to clean that off once I jump off camera. But yeah, the eyeliner kind of went a bit more winged than I wanted it to. I just kind of like went with it. That's how it went. So I'm going to apply some eyelashes. These eyelashes are the Primark Aladdin lashes. These ones just look amazing, so I wanted to try them. I've had them for quite some time and just haven't gotten around to wearing them, so I'm gonna wear them in this video today. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of it, because I for one am really loving the lashes that I got from Primark, the Disney Aladdin ones. They're only £2, so I think I'm just gonna go in there and buy 20. And the eyeshadows from the palette, I am pretty much liking them. I am excited to do more makeup looks with the palette. Do make sure you are following my Instagram, because I will be posting a lot more makeup looks using the palette. And also make sure you are subscribed to this channel, so you will see more makeup looks in the future with me probably using the palette. And just in general, I just post anything makeup related. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this makeup look, and also if you want me to try any of the Morphe eyeshadow palettes, let me know which one you want me to try, because there is like 2 that I am dying to get my hands on. So let me know which you would like me to try, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any videos from me. All my social medias will be down in the description bar below. But that's all for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, yeah, bye.